Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter 5. So all the students, open your computer books. Okay, let us start. So dear students, exercise number A is tick the correct answer. Okay, you can see in your book the first exercise is tick the correct answer. In this question number first is on which tab is the free from selection tool available? Options are home tab, view tab, text tab. Okay, so dear students, option number A, home tab, is the right answer. You can find free from selection tool on the home tab. Okay, now question number second is which option is used to turn the image toward the opposite direction? Okay, listen the question carefully. Which option is used to turn the image toward the opposite direction? It means if suppose that this arrow headed in left side, then it will turn in opposite direction. Okay, this is called flipping. So dear students, option number A is the right answer, flip. Okay, now rotation. Okay, suppose that this arrow headed is right side, then it will turn like this, then again it will turn like this, and then again it will turn like this. This is called rotation. Okay, rotation means the image turn toward the anti-clockwise or clockwise. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is which tool increase or decrease the view size of a picture? Dear students, here you can see three options. Option number A is resize, option number B is zoom, and option number C is select. So dear students, zoom tool is used to increase or decrease the view size of a picture. So students, option number B is the right answer. Zoom tool is used to increase or decrease the view size of a picture. It does not change any size of a picture. It only increase or decrease the view size of a picture, not a actual size. Okay, students. Now, question number 4 is what is the shortcut key combination to save a document? Okay. So dear students, here you can see three options. Option number A, B and C. Option number A is Control plus S. Option number B is Control plus F1. And option number C is Alt plus F4. So dear students, option number A, Control plus S, is the right answer. Okay, Control plus S shortcut key combination is used to save a drawing or any document. Okay, Now dear students, come to the next page. Okay. The next exercise is fill in the blanks. Okay. Dear students, you can see here question number first is free from selection tool, select an image in free from. Okay. Okay, now students, here you can see your question is dash tool, select an image in free form. So dear students, you have to fill here free from selection. Okay, you have to fill here free from selection tool. Now question number second is the zoom slider is present on the status bar. Dear students, you have to fill here status. Okay. Third question is the pasted object appear on the dash corner. Dear students, you have to fill here top left. When you will paste any object in your drawing area, then it will be appear on the top left corner of your drawing area. Next, question number 4 is the magnifier tool is present on the dash tab. Dear students, you have to fill here home tab. Magnifier tool is present on the home tab. Okay. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number C. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. In this there are 5 questions. Okay. Question number first is you can set a drawing as a desktop background. Dear students, question is asking you can set a drawing as a desktop background. Yes, dear students, we can set a drawing as a desktop background. So this statement is true. You have to write here T. Okay, this statement is true. Now come to the next question is zoom tool increase the view size of an image. Yes, dear students, this statement is also true. Zoom tool increase the view size of an image, not an actual size. Okay, zoom tool जो होता है बेटा, वो आपके इमेज के व्यू साइज को इंक्रीज करता है, ना कि उसके एक्चुअल साइज को इंक्रीज करता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज रोटेटिंग मीन्स to turn an image in different direction. Yes, dear student, this statement is also true. Rotating means to turn an image in different direction. This statement is true. Now next, question number 4. The full screen button is present on the view tab. Dear student, this statement is also true. The full screen button is present on the view tab. Okay. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number D. Okay. Look at the exercise number D. Exercise number D is answer the following question. Okay. Question number first is what do you understand by zooming an image? Dear students, the answer of this question is zooming means to increase the view size of an image. Zooming means to increase the view size of an image. Okay, students. Now come to the next question, that is question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 is, what do you understand by moving by an object? Question number 2 is, what do you understand by moving by an object? The answer of this question is, moving an object means changing the position of an object on the drawing area. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी हम अपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह शिफ्ट करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? मूविंग. मूविंग एन ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स चेंजिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द ड्राइंग एरिया. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ rectangular selection tool and a free form selection tool? Okay, dear students, the answer of this question is, rectangular selection tool lets you select a rectangular area in a drawing. Okay, and free form selection tool lets you select a part of an image is an irregular shape. It allows you to drag the selected portion and place it on another location. Now the last question is, that is question number 4. What does it mean to flip a drawing and how is it different from rotating? Okay, dear students, to rotate a picture means to turn it in different direction, either horizontally or vertically, and to flip a picture means to turn it in the opposite direction. Okay, these are the difference between the flip and rotating. Okay, so dear students, today's time has gone over for this session. Now I will explain the above activity zone in my next video. Okay, till then, bye bye students, have a good day.